Landing your dream website design client isn't about luck, it's about strategy. Whether you are starting fresh or scaling up, this video breaks down 10 proven methods to attract high quality clients, build your portfolio, and grow your freelancing business. And along the way, we are also going to share the right tools and strategies that are going to simplify this workflow for you. So if all that sounds interesting, then let's dive in. My name is Ankit and you're watching Elegant Themes YouTube channel, the makers of the Divi Visual Builder. Before you start searching for clients, you need to know who you are looking for. What type of clients align with your skills, experience, and interests? Defining your ideal client is critical. Are you more comfortable working with small businesses or are you looking for an e-commerce client? Once you have narrowed that down, focus on what type of budget they should have. Setting a minimum hourly rate or flat project rate fees ensures you are not working yourself into the red. And then there is communication. Always remember, a good client relationship is more than just about project. It's about communication and trust. And here are the 10 ways by which you can get web design clients. First up, build a professional website. If you are a web designer, your website is your first impression. It should showcase your work and skills. And for that, you need a platform that gives full creative control. WordPress combined with Divi Visual Builder creates a professional website effortlessly. Now, Divi isn't just a theme, it's a framework. Its Visual Builder lets you design web pages like a pro without touching a single line of code. Drag and drop and customize over 200 design modules right onto your page. There is no guesswork, no limitations, just your vision brought to life. Its inbuilt project post types let you create stunning portfolio that do your work justice. Add image galleries, interactive elements, and lot more. Because your talent deserves more than just boring slideshows. And then you can showcase your work at client testimonials or everything else you are proud of. With Divi, it's not just easy, it's a breeze. Then promote your services on social media. Now, social media isn't just about selfies. It's a powerful tool to reaching out potential client. Use platforms like LinkedIn to connect with professionals or showcase your work on Instagram and Pinterest. Share behind the scenes of your project or client testimonials. The key is to stay active and engaging. If you want to go extra mile, then go ahead and create tutorial videos or tips on YouTube to establish yourself as an authority in web design. Next, go ahead and create a blog. A blog is another great way to attract web design clients. Share web design tips, trends, and tutorials to showcase your expertise. If you specialize in a niche, then focus your blog around that. For instance, write about e-commerce website optimization if that's your specialty. Use SEO-friendly content and you will not only going to engage potential clients but also going to drive organic traffic to your blog. Divi themes make blogging super easy, offering customizable templates to make your blog look polished and professional. Next, sign up for freelancing platforms. Now, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com are a great place to find new clients. Start with smaller projects and collect positive feedback from your client. As your reputation grows, so will your opportunities for larger and higher paying clients. Next, conduct cold outreach. Now, cold outreach can be highly effective when it's done right. The key is to personalizing your emails. Research your target clients and highlight the specific ways your skills can help their business. Follow up with friendly message and don't be afraid to offer something valuable, like a free audit of their current website. And with tools like Divi Quick Sites, you can quickly showcase potential clients how you can upgrade their website. Network with like-minded professionals. Now, networking is still one of the best way to get web design clients. Attend industry events, meetups, or WordCamps if you are in WordPress. Build genuine connections, and along with that, keep in touch with your past clients. Often your next project comes from a referral or a past client who need more work. Next, make sure you improve your skills. The web design is constantly evolving, so keep sharpening your skills. Learn new web design trends, tools, and technologies. Divi offers extensive features that help you stay on top, from advanced design elements to responsive layouts. And as you improve on your skills, you become more attractive to potential clients. Then, leverage paid advertising. Now, paid advertising through Google or social media platforms like Facebook can be a game changer for attracting new web design clients. Create compelling ads that highlight your unique value. And as your portfolio is made on WordPress with Divi, you can easily create stunning landing pages designed to convert. Next, create a referral program. Now, word of mouth is super powerful. Referrals carry extra weight. When someone recommends your services, they are not just mentioning your name, but they are endorsing your skills as a web designer. This trust factor can be a game changer, tipping the scales in your favor and making potential clients more inclined to choose you over a cold lead. Referral clients can tend to be a better fit for your business as they are often pre-qualified by the referrer, ensuring a smoother, more successful collaboration. Then provide pro bono web design services. Now, offering pro bono services can be a smart move, especially when you are starting out. It gives you experience, build your portfolio, and help you establish connections. Go ahead and work with nonprofits, friends, or small businesses that might need help. You will not just gain valuable referrals, but also build a strong reputation. Now, landing dream web design clients isn't just a matter of chance. It's about taking control and adapting to the ever-changing market and delivering the real value. You need to be proactive and strategic to build a successful client base that aligns with your professional ambitions. With the right tools like WordPress, social media platforms, and others, you elevate your freelancing web design career to the next level. So it's time to take charge, make your mark, and build thriving business. And if you like this video, then make sure you give it a like and share it with your friends and community. And for more WordPress and Divi updates, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. That's it for this one, and I'll catch you in the next video.